So for today's video guys is gagawa tayo ng review kung ano itong product na to. I know a lot of YouTubers, small YouTubers is very familiar with this product. Ang product na to is none other than, tadaan! This is the BOYA BY-MM1. This BOYA microphone is very important as vloggers, especially if you're doing outdoor activities. Usually, nag-watch ako ng mga review sa YouTube. Sabi nila, this BOYA microphone is very useful, especially if we're doing vlogging outside. Kasi minimize niya yung mga unnecessary voices like katulad ng hangin, sasakyan, at iba-iba pa. And then, kung namalayan nyo yung ibang mga vloggers is klaro yung boses nila pag nagsasalita sila even nasa labas sila. So guys, actually na-open ko na siya kaninang umaga and then kasi excited ako makita siya and then gumawa lang akong video just for you guys. If you're going to ask me where ako or saan ako nakabili nitong BOYA microphone, so binili ko to siya through online, through Amazon. Because guys, actually it's Black Friday and then I grabbed that opportunity to buy items na on sale. So the cheaper the better. But of course, we will consider the quality of also of this product. So guys, wala nang pa-char-char. Let's open this BOYA BY-MM1. So ayan guys, ito na yung carton, front ng carton. So sa front ng carton is makikita nyo, mababasa nyo yung pangalan ng product which is the BOYA BY-MM1. Mababasa nyo rin yung classification niya na itong BOYA BY-MM1 is isa pala siyang universal cardioid microphone. The back of the carton is mababasa yung feature niya, specification niya. And then, I will not go more detail on this. So, siguro, i-highlight ko na lang to na tong BOYA microphone na to is compatible siya sa smartphones, tablet, DSLR cameras, consumer recorders, audio recorders, and etc. So guys, ito na yung mga items na nasa loob ng box. And then, as you can see, ito pala yung tinatawag na shotgun microphone. Ito yung gagamitin natin para ma-clear yung voices natin kung magbablog tayo. And then ito naman yung tinatawag nila na Fury windshield or tinatawag nila na dead cat. I don't know why they call it dead cat. So ito yung dead cat na ginagamit ng mga vloggers. Right, for example, they're doing vlogging outside because ang purpose nito is hinaharang niya yung hangin. So ma-minimize yung mga ingay and then klaro yung voice mo pag nagbablog ka. So guys, for the next item, ito pala yung tinatawag na shock mount. Ang purpose ng shock mount, parang holder siya sa microphone. And then this one is kinakabit mo to somewhere sa selfie stick mo. So guys, if you can see, may dalawang cord na nakalagay. So ang purpose pala ng dalawang cord na to is this one is for the handy. For the cellphone, ginagamit ito to connect the this microphone. And then this one is ang purpose nito is ginagamit siya, right? For example, you have GoPro, DSLR, ayun. Mayroon siyang BOYA mini bag. So ito yung storage ng BOYA microphone. So guys, let's check now on how this BOYA microphone works. So let's try the effect of our handy phone or yung camera natin kung ginagamitan natin ng BOYA microphone at walang BOYA microphone. So let's check also if we're going to use inside the house and then outside the house para makita talaga natin kung ano yung effect ng BOYA microphone na to. So guys, ito pa yung normal sounds ng cellphone ko na hindi pa siya kinakabitan ng BOYA microphone. So ito yung effect. So ito yung sounds. So guys, ito yung effect ng cellphone ko na kinabitan ko na ng BOYA microphone. So guys, shotgun microphone lang to guys ha. Kasi nasa lang naman tayo, nasa loob ng bahay naman tayo. So we're going to use this dead cat if nasa labas ng bahay tayo. So later, we're going to use this outside the house. As of now, we're going outside. Magpapapalit lang ako ng damit because it's too cold outside. So we're going to use this dead cat kung ano ba yung effect ng ating audio if we're going this BOYA microphone together with this dead cat. See you! So, ito yung effect kung wala kayong gamit na BOYA microphone. So, it's a normal phone. Ang ginamit kong phone dito is iPhone 10. So, andito ako sa labas ng bahay namin. And then, ito yung normal na audio ng cellphone ko. So, ngayon, let's compare if we're going to kabit or we're going to put the BOYA microphone in my phone. So, as of now, guys, I'm here outside. I'm using BOYA microphone. So, let's try if ano ba yung effect. Just in case yung handy natin is kinabitan na ng BOYA microphone. So, as of now, guys, I'm using the BOYA microphone. And then, I don't know what's the result of it because I'm still here outside. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo, ipaparinig ko lang sa inyo kung ano ba yung result just in case we're using to connect the BOYA microphone to our handy or to our camera. So, ito yun. So, andito ako sa labas, guys. Ang ginaw dito, guys, actually, kasi papalapit ng winter. And guys, actually, malapit lang kami sa ilog. And then, at the same time, malapit lang kami sa kalsada. So, maingay talaga dito, guys. So, that's why, that's one of the purpose kung bakit ako bumili ng BOYA phone. Just in case, if we're going to go outside, and then we're doing indoor and outdoor activities. So, yun. At least clear yung voice natin. So, yan lang muna, guys. And I need to go back inside na sa house kasi lumalamig na talaga siya dito, guys. At least nakita natin, guys, kung ano yung pinagkakaiba if may nakakabit na BOYA microphone at walang kabit na BOYA microphone sa handy natin. So, balik muna ako sa loob, guys, kasi ang ginaw na dito, guys. Ayun, guys, nakita natin yung result if we're going to use the BOYA microphone here inside the house and outside the house. So, ang masasabi ko lang is very satisfied ako sa BOYA microphone na to. It is because, especially we small YouTuber or YouTubers, we're going to make vlogs or videos outside. Ma-minimize niya talaga yung sound sa labas, and then yung boses mo, the way you talk is clear talaga if nagba-vlog ka outside. So guys, I hope may natutunan kayo sa videong ito, and if you want to buy this item, you can check in Amazon and then just search BOYA BY-MM1. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope may natutunan kayo, and then please do me a favor to hit thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!